Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about freelancing versus job. Which one is better? So everyone has an opinion, but let's understand the truth in simple way. If you are a student or confused about your career, this video will help you. I will explain freelancing versus job in a very simple way with pros and cons. So, what is a job? A job means you work for a company, you get a fixed salary every month, you have a fixed working hour and responsibilities. And what is freelancing? Freelancing means you work for company and you take project from different client, you decide your time and your work. Okay, so advantage of job: stable income every month, stable income every month in job, and job is less risky, or in job you will learn from your team and seniors, so job is good for a beginner. Okay, and disadvantages of job: fixed salary, less freedom, and you work on company rules. Okay, and we can see advantages of freelancing: freedom to choose work, unlimited income potential, work from anywhere. Okay, so disadvantage of freelancing: no fixed income, hard to find the client in the beginning, requires self discipline. So, which is a better? There is a no one correct answer. If you want stability and learning, start with a job. If you want freedom, can take risk and try freelancing. So, best option for you: start with a job, learn a skill, and then move to the freelancing. And choose based on your goals, not trends. Follow for more simple career and business content. Thank you guys. Bye bye.